guys, past weeks we did, okay, unboxing of the latest Apple iPad Pro 2020 with 12.9 inches LCD. Saan ka pa? Di ba panalo? Pang computer na. But wait, there's more. What are we going to do now? But before that, make sure you're able to watch already, okay, the last video about my unboxing. And wait, another more. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon para weekly makaka-receive kayo at manonotify ko kayo ng mga latest YouTube video ko. Okay, now let's start how to set up this iPad Pro, which is very vital, okay, if you got this during your Christmas gift or giveaways. Okay, let's start it now, guys. So guys, no, during the setup, mapapansin niyo pag power on ko, waiting for iPhone. Since may iPhone ako, sinasabi is, hold your iPhone, okay? Hold your iPhone, okay? Hold your new iPad up to the camera. Position of the pattern encircled, okay? Ganito pag sa setup. Okay, let's start the setup now. Kaya lang, sabi camera, ayun. So yun, nakapasok na po tayo, no? So using our Wi-Fi. So next is setup is the data and privacy, as you can see, no. So just click continue, okay, and then the Face ID. Kaya lang, ilalapit ko yung mukha ko. Ayan. Kaya lang, iyayaman ko yung pagmumukha ko. Dito lang, ilalapit ko yung mukha ko. So natapos na yung yung pag Face ID scanning na pagbumukha ko, medyo nahihirapan siya, no? Dahil pangit mo si Fat Michael. Next is hit the continue. May isa pa pala. So move closer, hold iPad 10 to 20 inches from your face. So ulit-ulit tayo. Okay, ayan po, no? So hindi lang pala siya, so kanina first Face ID scanning tayo, natapos ng setting it up. May second Face ID pa lang ginawa. Okay, so kaya medyo natagalan po tayo. Ngayon tapos na yung first Face ID scanning, then my secondary Face ID scanning. So let's hit and click continue. So create your passcode. So may 6 digit din po passcode to. So tara, natin to, ilagyan na natin. So ayan, so naghanap pa siya ng secondary security aside from Face ID natin is yung 6 digit na passcode po. And next is apps and data. So choose how you want to transfer the apps and data to this iPad. Okay, restore from Mac or PC, restore from iCloud backup, transfer directly from iPad, move data from Android, don't transfer apps and data. So restore from iCloud backups. I think we will do the restore from iCloud backups. Okay, kasi nandun yung mga apps natin. Hindi natin ito mag-sync doon sa ating mga Apple gadgets. So next is kung ikaw ay Apple user, you should have your yung kanyang Apple ID. So tara, ipasok natin ating Apple ID. May pasok na natin ating Apple ID plus yung ating Apple ID password. Ang next na verification ina-ask ni iPad Pro, okay, magko-kontakin ka niya to other Apple gadget. Let's say this I have an iPhone here. Sinend daw yung confirmation code, okay, dito sa aking iPhone. Okay, makikita din dito, makikita nyo yung security details kung i-allow ko ba. Okay, so ganun ka lupit ni Apple, So going to sa aking iPhone, we're going to hit allow. And then after that one, meron kang marireceive din automatic na Apple ID verification code. Nakikita nyo ba? So yung verification code na to, yun ipapasok mo doon sa sineset up nating iPad Pro 2020, okay? Para maging confirmation na at tight yung security niya. So ganyan po talaga si Apple. So pasok na natin. 1 86052. Okay. So makikita nyo, so ayan, pumasok tayo. So mayroong mga ilang katanungan, no? Terms and condition, blah blah blah, and just click agree. Okay, it may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So kailangan natin i-set up yung Apple ID natin kasi lahat ng ating mga video editing sa YouTube, mga YouTube apps sa ating mga tawag dito, mga effects. So dito na tayo mag-edit. Kasi let's try kung gaano ba kabilis to, gaano kaganda. Kasi to, gagamitan na po natin ito ng, ng Apple Pencil. So let's see kung mas lalong mapapadali yung pag-edit ko. Tinatanong saan yung backup, of course, ang aking iPhone X. Restore from iPhone backup. If you restore this iPad from an iPhone backup, settings will not be restored. Just click OK, and then you can restore the following settings from buying race or customize them individually. Customize na lang natin. The location setup enable. Okay. So iPad Analytics, okay, don't share. So iPad Analytics, sige, share with Apple na lang dun para makita performance. Share with app developers, okay. So restore from iCloud. So kung napasok ng inyong Apple ID, no, you can go now to the next. Okay, and definitely that will be the password. Okay. So medyo may katagalan to malamang, no, kasi ano siya, kung anong laman ng iPhone ko ng mga editing apps, video editing apps ng YouTube, and then yung sa MacBook ko rin. So lahat nandun sa iCloud at doon niya isi-save dito sa ating iPad Pro 2000. As you can see guys, no, so medyo nag-dark mode tayo na mas kita yung ating tutorial. So around 2 minutes pa, okay, restoring our information and some apps from iCloud, no. So 1 minute na lang, ayan na, malapit na po tayo. Okay. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe at watch out po sa mga ating mga pakabubot, mga latest na giveaways para sa ating road to 5K. Ayun, namatay na siya, and then reboot. Okay, as you can see, na-restore niya, and let's see ano makikita natin mamaya sa kanyang home screen. So I'll be doing and releasing another video about this iPad Pro. So what are the features, what are the tech spec, no? It will be a separate video, watch out for that. And this video is only dedicated for or focus on the how to set it up, okay? So para may idea po tayo na if you got your iPad, how to set it up, and then each menu, each question for what siya. Okay, so we're now rebooting it again, automatic reboot after you set it up. So there you go guys, no? So nag-reboot na siya, set up na, and ito na, nag-hello na siya. So what's next? Swipe to open, restore complete, continue, okay, blah 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 blah. So mga terms and condition, just click agree. Okay, agree. Keep your iPad up to date, okay, continue. Screen time, okay. Tatanong niya na kailangan bang i-record o may weekly report yung ating paggamit ng mga gadget. Of course, continue tayo dyan, natin i-record. True tone display, see what true tone, that means yung display ng ating LCD. So continue tayo, true tone tayo. Of course, light tayo, ang ating appearance ng ating LCD. And I think it's done. Welcome to iPad. So there you go guys, no? So yan ang ating iPad na. Ayun, marami yung mga ina-upload pa. So tama, no? It looks, lahat ng aking laman ng aking iPad, I mean the iPhone and the MacBook, nire-restore niya dito. So effortless na siya na magda-download pa ako ng aking mga apps dito, aking mga editing apps, mga YouTube editing apps, pati mga social media apps ko dito, no? Ang hirap, ang dami po niyan. So ngayon automatic na kasi naka-iCloud siya. So nakasync na rin siya sa MacBook ko just iPhone. Okay guys, hope you learned kahit konti lang about this tutorial ng how to set it up, the iPad Pro 2020 with 12.9 inches, at abangan po natin ang masusunod na iPad Pro video ko. Okay? So thank you so much guys.